Gates open, they're up and racing. Ferrari 1 draws for your lead. Islam Shots, rather famous girl, running by the rail, running alongside the supreme leader, followed by Slingshot Effect, running alongside Mr. Love, while New Golden City is the early trailer. Past the last 900, Ferrari 1 in command by half length. Then running on the outside, supreme leader Mr. Love. By the rail, famous girl is Slingshot Effect. And a long way back to New Golden City as they round to the last 600. Ferrari won by 3/4 of a length lead. Supreme leader still in second, racing in third, Mr. Love, as they race to the last 450. Ferrari 1 still leading the field. Supreme leader is on the outside. Running now in third, moving up Slingshot Effect, Mr. Love, famous girl, and New Golden City. With the last 150 more to run. Ferrari 1 still leading the field. Supreme leader is on the outside. Ferrari 1, Supreme leader is on the outside. Supreme leader doing the better over Ferrari 1. Then comes Mr. Love, Slingshot Effect, New Golden City, and Famous Girl.
Okay, crossing the wire.